Guys, today we got a new person in our video. When I say pop up, he's coming. His name is Duran Christian King. Pop up! Here he is. He's in his suit, his poopy suit. Look.
It's not my poopy suit.
Alright, so today we're going to be doing a G.I. Joe review. So sit right here.
Emoji poop.
Get the camera back. Alright, so first, let's go with, here's G.I. Joe. Alright, stop it. I'll do it. First, this is G.I. Joe. He's bald. Yes, he is. He's bald. He got orange hair. He really got black hair, but I got the guy. I'll get the other G.I. Joe. Right here. This is the other G.I. Joe. He got a shiny necklace. He got a gun and 2 belts.
A small gun.
Yeah, a Glock. And these are his. They look like ninja shoes. Alright, this one's done. This is G.I. Joe. He is in an army suit, just like that one. I know. And these are just boots, green and black boots. Get the next guy ready. Give me the gun case. The gun case. Get the next guy ready. Set him right on the gun case. Next is the boss. The boss too. And then he wears this camo army suit, and he's bald. Yeah, he's bald. Next, we have Porter. This is Duran's favorite character. This is Porter. He wears green. He has green boots, and his hand is like that because when you put the gun in his hand, which is I'm gonna get the gun. Get a gun. Yeah. This is the gun. Oh, you wanna use this one? Well, here's a gun, and then hold it just like this, and then put him like this. Put his hand on.
Just closing it.
Ready for army. There we go. We're done with Porter. He has a nice detail. All right. Here's Boss. He's the main character for G.I. Joe. So is G.I. Joe. He comes with this long jacket with a gun. Where's his sunglasses? All right, we have sunglasses with them, but we can't. And he has a knife, and he has a gun, and his holster with the gun. You don't have to look for the sunglasses. Next, we're gonna just do this tent so you can see how it goes. I'm gonna whack you. There's a gun in here. That's G.I. Joe's gun. This is G.I. Joe's gun. There's Boss. We're done with Boss. And I'm gonna just do this really quick, and then we're gonna do Duran's ones. We're gonna do. And I know there's a person from the class named Max. We got a G.I. Joe named Max because his suit says Max. But here's the tent, the army tent. There's a stick right there to hold it up.
And we got beds.
So we're gonna.
Look, there's a bed.
No, that's not the bed. That's the thing that goes in there. That's the mattress. So they can get in there.
So it'll be hard. And
What's
here's
this?
the pillows.
Baby doll stuff. That's not mine.
Those.
Alright, here's a pillow. It goes on this. This goes in the tent. But this is like a little bed. And it goes in the tent. And we got a missing mattress. So we're going to put a pillow there. Just in there for extra. Somebody can sleep on hard. Next, we're going to do Max. So here's Max. That's his face. And his suit says Max. And same as G.I. Joe. It says G.I. Joe. Here's his feet. He wears a green suit. Green shirt. And then here's his black hair. He does not come with sunglasses.
Why would you put?
No. Don't say it. Alright, done with him. So we're gonna do him in a second.
Yeah.
We're doing all my G.I. Joe. This is my G.I. Joe once again. He has no arm. He had an arm, but can't find it. I hope it ain't on G.I. Joe. Alright. This is his vest. Right here. This was I was talking about. I called it a vest. I called it a coat, but it was a vest. God. Ready? No. 316 right now. What? That's Clark. Put him down. What are you doing, Clark, right now? Alright. So this is Jason. Boots. This is just like the book. The Bad House. This is Jason when he grew up. James is this guy. I'm gonna get James. No, not it. Not the broken guys. I'm gonna get James. This is James. And the Bad House. 3, 2, and 1. This is James. If you never read my book, it's okay. But it's called The Bad House 1, 2, and 3. Not on the same, on one book that says 1, 2, and 3, The Bad House. No. So this is James when he was grown. When he's done in the Bad House, I don't know what's gonna happen. If I make a 4, I don't know what's gonna happen to him. But let's go to Clark. Now there's 2, so we're gonna get 2, both of them. They have the same face, same hair. One has gray clothes with a green vest, and he got a doctor thing right here, and black boots.
And
He's nice. He's nice. How I know his name is Clark? Right there.
And this guy's ready.
USA Army. Don't put him in there. Not yet. Alright. Him. This is Clark. Same thing. Green. Where's this? Almost the same thing. No, not almost the same thing. But look. Green boots, green pants, green shirt, and a belt. Same hair and everything. So since we just went through him, I don't have to go through him again.
Here.
Alright, him. This is, we have Duran's brother is DJ King. This is his G.I. Joe. He's called Ultra Corpse like this one. But right here he is. He's a good one. Wears these nice black boots and green ones, black pants, and a green shirt with black on it. It says the Ultra Corpse. Alright. We're not doing him. Alright, we could do a little bit more, guys. And yes, I got George Washington, but he's broke. So I ain't going to show you the whole thing. But here. This is George Washington. Got his gun somewhere else. I don't know where it is. But put him in there. Here's him. Who is he? What did you name him?
Let's call him Jackson.
Jackson. Alright, Duran just named him Jackson. So, I know you didn't get to see Duran a lot, but he's going to be in this, alright? So, Jackson's done. Okay. Alright, we're going to shut. Now it's time to gun. Time to get the guns.
No, Duran's coming in.
Duran's going to help us with the guns. Thank you, Duran. Thank you. No, it's your turn. Duran, you go ahead. I'm going to go out there.
Okay. This is called
a sniper rifle.
A sniper rifle. See, it's on a shotgun.
It's not a shotgun.
Oh.
Alright, first sniper rifle. Shotgun. Get all the shotguns because they're all the same. Yeah.
And this is called... Okay, I don't know what this is called.
Just call it a blaster gun.
This is called blaster gun.
Just call it that. He doesn't know what it is. I don't know what it is either. But here is the shotgun.
Here's the shotgun.
Same old shotguns.
Yep.
I'm helping him a little bit with the guns. I'm not going to be...
And this is called... M14.
Yes, it is called that. I know you never heard of that gun. I made it up.
And this is called a big sniper or something.
Sniper rifle.
It's called a sniper rifle. With big.
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of here.
You got no shirt on. Get out of here.
Get out of here. We're doing video.
Same thing, shotgun.
Okay. And this is called
blaster.
Blaster gun.
Same thing as this other one.
This is called. What's that called? M14.
No, 4.3.
Oh,
You're making up.
they.
You can make up the guns. Just show them
This
the
is
guns.
called
This
a
is the-
necklace. So on Call of Duty, when they
everybody
die,
knows it's a necklace. But look, here's just a black
Some Call of
gun.
Duty.
Just say, look at the guns, what color they are, and what they can do. Now, we're going to go through it all again. Shot, you know what sniper rifles you can do.
And this is
Go
called.
slow.
This is black, and you can just do this on the ground.
It just sits on a car and you go.
Do you see this? And then you see
Rockets.
that?
No, it doesn't go on that.
Oh.
This is
And this is
this is
called.
an RPG. That's not RPG. This
What is
is
it called?
just look at the gun. Look at it.
I don't make it up. This is called.
Here is a
4.30.
shotgun. This is G.I. Joe's original gun.
This is called.
First gun.
A CPO.
What?
CPO.
You could just make it up. I don't
It's
care.
CPO.
This is all these little tiny guns are called Glocks. You can come in.
You know
Be
what this
quiet.
is called, you know.
This is a Glock. That's a
It's called a
knife.
knife. You can see it.
Yeah, there's a lot of
Let's-
them.
Look very closely.
Yeah,
the
look
knife.
very closely. Very.
That's not recording.
Yes, it is.
Oh, okay. And
And here's some ammo.
this is called a little shotgun.
No, it's called a sawed-off
Oh,
shotgun.
this soda.
It's George Washington's sawed-off shotgun.
But he's broke.
All right,
And
let's
this is
go
some
over.
ammo.
This is to the RPG. Where's the RPG? Right here.
RPG.
This is the RPG. Goes in there. Where's the other one? There's another one. Here's more ammo. I don't know where that ammo is, but
Wait, is it
I don't know if I use the same
RPG?
ammo.
Wait, is this RPG?
It looks like a rocket. One of the rockets.
Wait. And this is just in case when we get on a mission and you're almost dying this way. You can just use this.
You can revive your friend.
You
And this
can
is what
revive your
goes in it.
friends.
This is what goes in it. It's G.I. Joe. G.I. Joe's a doctor. He did a lot of things for his friends.
And
And you don't see that kid in the back? His
there's
name is
another
Jamar Marquette. Come over here. He's a
And
new person to my YouTube channel too. His name is Jamar Marquette. So he's gonna help you too. Say hi, Jamar.
come on.
Say hi.
Okay, this is
You
Jamar.
wanna help him? These are
Crunches or something.
crutches. You can call it crutches.
What's this?
You already know what this is. Definitely a phone.
That's my phone, yeah.
All right, let's put all these guns.
Look,
in.
and this is
Done with the guns.
this is real and it's metal,
No, it's not. It goes to nothing.
but it goes to another.
It goes to one of the guns.
Yeah, it goes to one of the guns. That's it.
All right, put all the guns away. Here's some ammo. You can put it around the guys. All right. A lot of things.
That's
Now all right.
Let's go into these persons.
Those are the little ones.
These are the little ones. And you can see them. See all that stuff on them? You got some of that on them. That. Then you got this on them.
And then we got a bag of clothes. We got more clothes than this because some of the clothes are in there.
And here's another one, guys.
All right, get them out of there. Here's another gun. This gun, they don't know what it is. I don't know, but it just sits like this. All right, he calls it a blaster. All right, so that's a gun that sits just like that.
It's a blaster.
He calls it a blaster. It sits just like that, and it shoots. The people hold onto it, and it shoots.
And
They don't.
look, that's a cool knife. It's ended. That's a light knife.
I'll show them it to them already. Pants.
No, that you should show this. Cause it looks like
That
it.
knife. I showed
Yeah.
it to them.
Okay.
Oh my God. Alright. Any more guys we gotta do?
Yes. Let's show this guy.
You wanna do the broken ones? Go ahead. I don't care. No, not the broken ones. Alright. Here's this guy. Yes, he looks stupid. I don't know if y'all say he looks stupid,
I love
but
this guy, but he's
to
broke.
me, he looks stupid. He likes that guy. It looks just like the other one.
I don't like this guy.
He's naked. More?
And
Morris? This is Morris. Because his suit says that. Morris.
And this is him. He got no head, no body.
Don't you use the naked.
He's naked, guys.
No, he's not.
But who is that name?
This is, I don't know. This is Rod. What?
Klopster.
Klopster? Alright. No, I already did that.
And guess what?
Alright, guys. Watch this. You don't know what this is, right?
It's a cast.
Shh. It ain't a cast. It holds your cast. Watch this. You might not know what it is, but it looks like a cast. It ain't. Let me this guy.
You don't
Alright,
want to see
put all
this
the guys
guy.
away. Put
You
all
don't
the
want
guys
to see
away.
him.
Put all the guys away.
You don't want to see this guy.
Put all the guys. I said put the guys away. That's what I said.
Okay, you
And
just
this is
saw
his cast.
him. His name is Jackson. Just saw him.
G.I. Joe. Where's his gun? Oh. Good.
This guy goes right here.
Ding, 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 ding. Now, I'm gonna do the theme song for
Do you watch it now? Hey guys,
shh, be quiet. We're gonna do the theme song for it. Now, here it goes. The G.I. Joe theme song. G.I. Joe, he marches down the road.
Blake.
He shoots all the guys up if they're on his team. Boom, boom, no chances. Alright, that's not the whole theme song. I ain't sing the whole one because it's mean to G.I. Joe. Because G.I. Joe doesn't like this part. Don't tell him. Don't tell him that I sung his theme song. Alright, guys. If you like this video, subscribe it, thumbs up, everything that you think.
and a lot of cards.
Alright, if you like it, put a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel if you like it.
And push that bell.
And turn on notifications all the time. Don't.
Bye.
And then thank you. Bye.